Hello guys, I will give you some tip in spraying your plants, especially with aphids. Aphids, you have black aphids or green one, and normally you can see ants. If you see ants in your plants, that means most likely you have aphids, the black one or the green one. So I discovered that this solution, the one that I'm using for cleaning the floor, my tiles, my floor tiles. I also use it for, at the same time, I can use it for my plants. So I'm saving, you know, money. So I will not buy chemical in the hardware or plant shop. So I will just use the same thing for my plant. This is the ratio of my solution is 40 ml to 1 liter in one container, and then I after mixing I put it here, and it's not bubbly, so there's not much bubbles actually, so it's quite good. You can use it for your flooring, and you can use it for your plants. Normally aphids are growing, or they are in the new sprout or new leaves of your plants, especially roses and citrus. Okay, I will show you my plants. So I use it in my zebra plant. You see, these are all for sale. It's already sold. Okay, I also use it in my roses. You see, it's before there are so many aphids. Green one, rose normally green aphids. So now you can see it's clean. Yeah, no aphids. You see, there is no aphids. This one and this one. This they have lots. Last week there are plenty of aphids around. Because they're normally in the new leaves or new sprout. And then this is my calamansi. You see, I sprayed. This a black one. I don't know if it's black aphids. They're all dead now, and it doesn't affect the leaves. Okay, and there's another one here. You see, if you did not spray it, the leaves will. It's destroying the leaves. So now they are all dead. Okay, so that's the one that I use, and yeah, you can use it in your flooring, and also you can use it in your plants. Okay guys, thank you for watching. It's just a tip. Okay.